Have you ever been rejected sa trabaho, sa relationship, sa opportunity na gustong-gusto mo talaga? I know, ang sakit. Especially kapag feeling mo bagay naman sa'yo. Pero know that rejection isn't telling you hindi ka enough. Sometimes, it's simply telling you hindi ito para sa'yo. And maybe that's something that we need to learn to accept. Na hindi lahat ng gusto natin, kailangan maging sa atin. Some doors close because there's another one that you haven't seen yet. So let yourself be disappointed. Feel it, then keep moving. Rejection is not always a loss. Sometimes it's a redirection.